We all have been taught that go to school, go to college, take a good degree, take a job, work hard, and try to invest and save those money so that you can retire easily at an age of 60 or more than 60 and enjoy the rest of your life. And most of the people in the world live their life according to this plan that is set by the society. And if we tell you that there is another way through which you can become rich at a very young age, how do you feel? At a young age, you are full of energy, power, excitement. So why wait till your 60s to enjoy your life? You don't need to wait till your 60s to retire. You don't need to wait to enjoy your life, and you can achieve whatever you want in your life at a very young age. You will be able to enjoy every single second of your life if you follow this path. Well, this path is called the Millionaire Fastlane by American author MJ Demarco. And today, we will discuss with you the secret of becoming a millionaire at a young age from this book. And this book has been loved all around the world, and it has changed the mindset of everyone who read this book. And we want you to become aware of this path that is shared on this book by the author. Number 1. Roadmaps to Wealth. Author in his book tells that there are 3 ways to achieve financial freedom: the sidewalk, the slow lane, and the fast lane. People take all their decisions in life related to their career, life, finances with the help of these 3 paths. The sidewalk. The people who used to take the sidewalk usually spend all the money they earn and got trapped in the short-term pleasure and spend all their life with the only one source of income, that is their salary. And if suddenly some emergency happens to their life, like an accident, medical emergency, an immediate need of money, etc., then the side workers have no money at all. They try to call their friends and ask for money. They take loans and put themselves into the debt trap. This is not that people who are poor are side workers. Instead, people with high-paying jobs also fit into this category. Their income is high, and along with that, their expenses is also high. They buy luxury cars, phones, expensive gifts, etc. We have also heard people becoming rags from rich. The slow lane. This path is the slowest path to become rich in life, and that's why it is termed as the slow lane. We spend the half of our life saving money. We always try to adjust with little money. We wait till the sale starts to buy things so that we can save more money for the future and become rich in the future and enjoy our life with the money that we had saved. And when the time comes, then we would be old. And our savings are not fulfilling our dreams, but paying the bills of our hospitals, rents, fees, etc. And also, it might happen that we might not have the energy to spend the money that we had saved. But one thing is true, that this way is far better than the sidewalk. It is not 100% sure that we will be successful. There are so many factors that affect the ways, including getting fired from job, family problems, market crash, etc. and all other problems. As the side workers, we don't need to take loans, but it might end up our savings. People knows that this is the easiest way, and that's why most of the people take this way. But most of the people don't know that there is another way of becoming rich fast, and it's called the fast lane. Well, this is the path that the author took and become millionaire at the age of 37 and even retired early. And you should also know the secret of the fast lane. Fast lane is directly proportional to creating a business. And if we see people around us who are billionaires have a business of their own. A business gives you complete control of your life, from your money to your most valuable asset, time. You can do everything on your own, and there will be no one to dictate you. But one thing you should always remember, that the fast lane is the way of becoming rich fast, not easily. As the author said that he used to work 12 hours a day and 7 days a week for several years. And after that, he used to work only few hours a week and still managed to earn such amount of money, which is a dream for most of the people. Number 2. Work the process. Everybody wants to become rich fast, and that's why people believe that becoming rich fast is like an event. People believe that they can become rich with the trend that is running on the market. For example, 20 years back, people who had invested in real estate are very successful now. 5 years ago, those who have started blogging, Facebook ads, YouTube are very rich now. And people who is investing in cryptocurrencies and NFTs may become rich in the future. Success is not like winning a lottery. It's like making a home on a barren land, where you have to do different kinds of work and your home will get completed. And you have to believe the fact that only one factor will not decide your success. Instead, you have to work consistently every day, try different things, and then only you can see your results and you can achieve your dreams. Number 3. Demarco's 5 Commandments. If you want to build a business that will not only make you rich but wealthy in the long run, then your business must have the potential to generate wealth. That's why Demarco made the 5 Commandments, through which you can find out if your business have the potential to create wealth or not. The commandment of control. You must have the control over your business or organization and your products to make your business successful. If you can't control your business, then your business will not be so successful and you might face a lot of problems in the future. You must have the control of your pricing, product, revenue model to make your business sustainable. The commandment of entry. When a business becomes very easy to do, then the competition becomes too high. You must build a product that has entry barrier. Otherwise, people will replicate your business soon. For example, Elon Musk, who dared to start a business that no one dared to. He built a car that runs on electricity, and this creates an entry barrier to his competitors. You have to be exceptional on your business and you will stand out of the crowd. The commandment of need. Imagine you are opening a meat shop in a colony that has only vegan people. Then your business will not run because there is no need of meat in the vegan colony. And this also implies to your business. You have to add value to people's life. People will not give you money to fulfill your dreams. And if you add value to someone's life, then they will pay you for solving their problems. So, you should understand the fact that your business should fulfill others' needs, not yours. The commandment of time. Most of the people have their income related to time. That is, their income is directly proportional to time. They have to trade their time to earn money. If they don't work, they will not get money. People get trapped in this rat trap and can't think of generating wealth. To become wealthy, you should not depend on your time. You must try to automate every single aspect of your business so that your business will grow without you. The commandment of scale. You have to think of such business ideas that can be scalable. For example, if you start a coffee shop that serves coffee to your colony, then it is not scalable, as your coffee shop has a daily limit of selling coffee. But if you start a website that sells coffee to the whole country, whole world, then it is scalable. You have to reach a maximum number of people to grow your business. Number 4. Affect millions. People become millionaire or billionaire when they affect people's life on a big scale or a higher magnitude and provides value to millions of people. Author called this term the law of affection, which means affect millions, take millions. If you can reach 1 million people, then you will be a millionaire. Your business must be a scalable business and must affect millions of people. For example, if an entrepreneur sells his product to millions of people only at a cost of $1, then he is a millionaire. The magnitude of the product might be low. That means the profit margin of the product might be low, but the scalability is so high. So that is the power of the scalability. Also, if you sell a high magnitude and a low scalability product, still you will be a millionaire as the profit margin will be so high. Author says that your business must have high scalability or high magnitude. Then only your business will be successful. When the author was working, he always tried to increase the scalability to affect millions of people and provide value to millions of people and earn millions. So friends, this is a summary of the book, The Millionaire Fastlane. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment down below. We bring this kind of helpful videos frequently. So subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.